challenge number 4, round 1 na ngayon. Alam nyo ba kung ano ang magiging challenge ninyo ngayong araw?
Hindi po!
Ito lang naman ang lip reading challenge. Kung saan, nagbigay ako ng category na kailangan ninyong hulaan. At ang category na yon ay iba't ibang music love song. Nag-prepare ako ng mga music na dapat ninyong pahulaan. Kagaya ng ibang challenge, kung sino may pinaka-fastest time, ang siyang panalo. Simula tayo sa Heyla na si Hailey, si Ella, kasama si Bella.
Yun!
At ngayon guys, kasama ko na si Ella at syempre si Bella. At ngayon nga pala ay first round ng lip reading challenge. Syempre, bago tayo magsimula, ready na ba kayong dalawa?
Ready na!
Ella, ikaw ang unang manghuhula at Bella naman, ikaw naman ang magpapahula.
Let's go! Let's go!
Ella, ilalagay ko na.
Sige.
Bella, pwede mo nang simulan. First word.
First word. First word. Endless love. Ha? Endless love. Endless love. Endless love. Endless love. Endless love.
Second word.
Second. Wala na. All of me. All of me.
Last word.
Because you love me. Because you love me. Because you love me. Because of me. Because you love me. Because you love me.
Nakuha ni Ella ang tamang sagot sa loob ng 44 seconds. Okay ko na.
Go, Bella.
Pwede mo na simulan, Ella. First word.
Okay, first word. Just the way you are. Ha? Just the way you are. Ano? Just the way you are. Ano? Just the way you are. The way? Just the way you are. Just the way you are. Second word. How deep is your love? Ha? How deep is your love? Ano? How deep is your love? Mission ba? Ano? Ano? How deep is your love? Ano? How deep is your love? All of. How deep is your love? Amin. How deep is your love? Ano? How deep is your love? All of me. How deep is your love? Only miss your love? How deep is your love? Only miss your love? Wala na to guys! How deep is your love? How deep is your love? Only miss your love? How deep is your love? Only miss your love? Can't help falling in love. Kaya mo yan. Can't help falling in love. Go. I'm falling in love. Can't help falling in love. Can't help falling in love. Can't help falling in love.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At dahil umabot na ng 2 minutes at isang sagot lang ang nakuha ni Bella. At syempre, Ella, ikaw ang panalo! Na isasala kaya hindi papakabog na Jelcy na si Angel kasi kasama nila si Chloe!
So yun guys, kasama ko na si Angel pati si Chloe at ito ang first round na lip reading challenge. Si Angel ang unang manghula at si Chloe ang unang magpapahula. Oh, Angel, Chloe, ready na ba kayo?
Ready na.
Pero sayang, panaginip lang pala. I do it for you. I do it for you.
Are you wait for you?
I do it for you.
Isa pa.
I do it for you.
I will wait for you.
I do it for you.
Ha?
I do it for you.
Lapit na, malapit na.
I do it for you.
Are you? Are you with
I do it for you.
I do for you.
I do it for you.
I do wait for you.
Pangalawa.
Galingan mo ah.
I want to know what love is. I want to know what love is.
I want you.
I want to know what love is. I want to know what love is. I want to know what love is.
Isa pa.
I want to know what love is.
I want to wait.
I want to know what love is.
I want you to.
I want to know what love is.
I want to stop.
Okay, number 3 na, number 3.
Uy, number 2.
Lips of an angel. Lips of an angel.
Bakala ko.
Lips of an angel.
Beep.
Lips of an angel.
How did you love?
Lips of an angel.
Over.
Lips of an angel.
Over.
Lips of an angel.
So yun guys, nakakuha si Angel ng 2 minutes.
Hindi ako magaling dito.
Wala. Talo. Bigay mo na lang kay Angel yung points. Tara, Chloe. Oh, Angel, simulan mo na.
Okay. First word. Beauty and the Beast. Madali lang.
Beauty and the Beast.
Nakakuha agad.
A whole new world. A whole new world. A whole new world. Kaya mo yan. World. Go.
How to love? Ano?
A whole new world. A whole new world. A whole new world.
Pass, pass, pass.
Go, Chloe. Go lang. Especially for you. Kaya mo yan. Especially for you.
Special for you?
Especially for you. Especially for you. May elbow. Especially for you.
Special for you.
Especially
for you.
you're the one that I want.
You're the one that I want.
So yun guys, nakuha ni Chloe ng 3 sagot sa loob ng 56 seconds.
Okay na rin yun kaysa mawala kami ni Mas okay nang panagin yan.
Siyempre, ang panalo sa challenge na to ay walang iba kundi si Chloe! Ang susunod na sasalang walang iba kundi ang bigating Brianna na kasama si Krish.
Yeah!